We are back, guys. This is our new renovation project. We are here in Jomtien, literally walking distance from the beach. And this is how the house looked before, and this is how the house looks now. Let's go inside.
Such a difference. Now, on your right, we have 2 small bedrooms, and on the left, we have the master and queen bedroom. The house starts with sofa and TV area with great view to the swimming pool. After renovating the whole roof, we decided to use the space and gone up with the ceiling as high as we can, so we have that great open area now. Behind the sofa, we have the kitchen area, and right next to it, the dining table. Behind that, we have that very exclusive bar.
Before there was nothing here but a concrete slab and columns. Now we have a beautiful swimming pool, tropical garden, and a nice bar, which you have seats on both sides. You can enjoy your beer in the evening. Next, we have a lounge. You can sit and enjoy during the night, and we have a car park.
I'm now in the master bedroom, which has a beautiful view to the swimming pool and has a nice background. And from the master bedroom, I go to the master bathroom, which has 2 unique features. One is this beautiful sink that is custom made to this house. And the second is the window that we put upstairs, so it lets all the lights in, and when you take a shower, you can see the moon. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now. Thank you.
Another successful renovation which just took us 4 months this time. And we flipped this old house into this exclusive pool villa.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned.